Put where the energy? Then the dog. Are you drinking water?
Jesus, no. They want to name, I think, I don't water. I think it's a special juice, it's called Clear Fresh. I think they say manufactured from what the fuck you just asked me. Like, come on. It's not water. A special made juice. Give me a minute. No, G. I some new juice and they call Clear Fresh. It look new, so wait there. What you tell me say? That way I drink fresh? Me Jesus, no. Me not taste the sugar. Of course it's fresh. It's water. Wait a minute. No dog, the water is not fresh at all. They bottled those ones. Me Jesus. I want to get film source information from what the fuck source? Oh my god, stop with these, me Jesus. Stop with these dumb questions. Enough with these dumb questions. Come on. It's in a bottle. It's not in a... Me give up. Wait a minute. No dog, they cup these ones. Since I didn't cup the one there, where just put the water in?